Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the all new iPhone 17 Pro. So let's get to it. Let's start off by unboxing the charger. So this is how the charger is gonna look like. Gonna unbox it like this. Swoosh it open. Oh, there's also a manual. So this is the charger. It looks like something in the water. So let's keep that aside. There's also a not so thick manual. So let's keep all that away. But here's the big surprise. The iPhone 17. Oops. This is the iPhone 17 Pro. Let's start by unboxing it very carefully. Here's the big reveal. In 3, 2, 1. There we go. This is the iPhone 17 Pro. I forgot to mention Pro. Let's open it carefully. So this is the off button, on and off button, and this is the camera thing. And this is the back. It's the orange color. It's the orange color that was so famous on all of those ads. And I think this is the camera flashlight. 3 Pro cameras. Thick boy. The charger port. The 2 volume buttons. And then the silencer. Let's unbox this beauty. Look at this. It's not so thick. Trying to open it. It's opening. It's the iPhone. Oh, it's got a charge. We'll do that later. This is the back. It's smooth silk. I think those are aluminium. We're just gonna keep it on top of this. And open the charger. So the chargers for charging the iPhone. And it looks like this. Wait, there's two sides.